Welcome back, guys. As we design developments in AutoCAD, that space in AutoCAD is correlated in the real world by way of the state plane coordinate system. So every location in real life has its own exact location in AutoCAD in an XY coordinate system called the state plane coordinates. When we get a survey, we need to locate that survey in the state plane coordinate system so that it matches up with that place in real life. And in this video, we're going to go through and show you how to set up the state plane coordinate system for the project. These are divided into different states. Some states have one state plane coordinate system, some have two. Georgia, for instance, has an east and a west. And we're going to show you how to set that coordinate system, and then everything that shows up in AutoCAD lines up with where it is in real life in that state plane coordinate system. So let's learn. Welcome back, guys. In this episode we're going to show you how to turn on the geolocation so that you can line your project up with its actual location in state plane coordinates. So if your tool space is not showing, you can click this button. Sometimes the logo appears on my computer, it's not showing, but that one pops up the tool space. The prospector is the normal tab that you're working with. In this case though, we want to go to settings, right click at the very top, go to edit drawing settings. Then you're going to get this screen. You're going to scroll down to USA. This project's in Georgia, so we'll pick Georgia, and then we need to pick the appropriate state plane coordinate system. And Georgia has two state plane coordinate systems, east and west, and you're pretty much always going to want to choose NAD 83, and then we're in the west system, and then we're going to use foot, not meter. So NAD 83 west foot, and that's the one we want. Apply, and then you come up here to geolocation. This should have highlighted once you've turned that on, and turn on the aerial or anything you want, roadmap, but you can already see that this survey that came from the surveyor is already geolocated, and they put it in the correct space in the Georgia West state plane coordinate system where it resides. Now, our preliminary drawing template starts in the Georgia West state plane coordinate system, but sometimes you'll start a project in a different state, and you can't just go into settings and make the change. First you would need to click this remove location. Everything will go black, and then you can go back into settings and then pick a different state. So just if you don't do that step to remove the location first, it'll all come in and incorrectly. Thank you.